Welcome to Get Out Go. I'm Christoph and this is my campsite review of Porcupine Restcamp. Porcupine Restcamp is situated in the Western Cape, around 3.5 hours drive from Cape Town. The closest town is Laingsburg. Porcupine sits at the base of the Karoo Valley and has great views of the Klein Swartberg mountains. There are 3 rustic sites: Korea, Sweetthorn and the River Camp. All the sites are private, well spaced, shaded and with access to a seasonal river. At the time of this video, October 2019, the Karoo was still in the middle of a terrible drought, so the river and the dam were dry. Each campsite includes a private flush toilet, hot water shower with a donkey boiler, large fire pit with braai, a barbecue grid, a water tap and scullery. There are kerosene lamps in the showers and toilets. Be careful with these, obviously. The sites don't have any electricity. As the name suggests, the Korea site has a number of shady Korea trees and is suitable for up to 12 people. Sweetthorn is the largest site and can accommodate up to 16 people. River Camp is the smallest site and can accommodate up to 6 people. If the river had water, this would definitely be the highlight of this camp. Note that this site is not suitable for tall vehicles. We just managed to squeeze in 2 vehicles with rooftop tents. Porcupine also has an authentic bush pub, the Overlander Bar. Here you can enjoy a cold one, Wi-Fi and even wood fire oven pizzas. There are some great gravel roads around Porcupine to explore the area and the views are stunning. You can even explore these on your mountain bike. Be sure to take the CVV Export route. Porcupine's location makes it ideal for a weekend getaway from Cape Town or as a stopover. I can definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, get out there.